Okay, I've finished installing the ATI. It's adjustable stock. Got a big butt pad too. It's 12 gauge. But man, this grip is just nothing else. It looks great. Feels good. The bad thing is that color and that color does not match. And I've got one issue. They forgot to put the screw holes for my cheek rest. To be honest with you, you don't need a cheek rest because it's a shotgun. You're sitting pretty low anyway. But man, she looks bad. She looks bad. And I've ordered a new sight that I'm going to put on front. That will look really good as well. But I'll either have to change that color or change that color. That looks kind of neat, but maybe a tad bit gay. Maybe I am too. But so anyway, either I'll paint that or paint that, but I can't leave them different. Probably I'll go ahead and try to paint that one this. That's supposed to be a battleship gray or destroyer gray, and I really think that's almost burnt earth. But anyway, it looks good, feels good. Can't wait to shoot it.